take one, have the built Lego fish spinner, and here are the
You want to check it?
pieces
I mean, you're going to do an Amazon
I
order with
can
your
build.
scrubs. I just thought
So let's build the Lego fish spinners.
Because if not, then
So first, put this on, and you put it in here. Then you put this in here, and let's see if we can get some pieces out of here. Just wait, don't.
I love that you're making your own.
It said it's arriving Monday.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. I just want to make sure it was coming. Okay, yeah, let's go on and see what your scrubs look like.
Oh, that's cool.
Why do they mean that?
Okay, let's see how it works.
Is it now?
It does work, but
I like this one.
I like this the best.
You like that one the best?
But I think
I like this one.
I think gotta get more.
Look at this.
Yeah, but I need to find one these little things.
Stop reading for the moment.
Okay.
You're gonna try to.
Yeah.
So let's take one of these out and build like this.
You stink and you're sitting in my chair.
Do you still stink? I couldn't tell.
Here we go. Wait, it's not spinning enough, but I think we gotta put something just on there so we can make the whole part.
So you can wear scrubs then instead of wearing pants? Yes.
Yeah.
Get scrubs.
So if they have on Prime,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
they all say Prime, right? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think we gotta find one more,
I'm
two
just
more
looking
of
for the
these,
ones
but
that they have.
it's all.
I don't want to get something that they're like, you can't wear that.
Okay, I think we gotta get one more. We're all done. It's like the same one, like
Oh, it's
this
the same video.
one.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Let's see, I can find
Do you have another piece like that?
this piece.
Yeah.
Another one.
No. Come on. That just for one more.
I just have to have two on there so it's balanced.
It's
Fine. Did I say?
I'll find
Did you
it.
say is that too much? And I said yeah.
Yeah,
No.
it has to be Prime.
It's not.
It wasn't Prime. It said Prime, didn't it?
Yeah. Watch out, Violet.
How many are you putting in there? Because you can only get one.
I know.
You're just getting the ones you like, and then you'll decide your shops there.
Okay, but we're gonna build this thing back.
Top and the
So
bottom.
you gotta
Oh, you
put
need a
these
top too?
Yeah.
I thought you had a
parts
top.
together like a sandwich.
I could go pick my top up.
Mhm.
What
just
should I pick?
do this for a little wave. Oh, this is gonna spin very well.
Wait, did I just
Yeah, you
delete
did.
the...
You just clicked.
That's
no.
okay. Small, tall. This
Yeah,
one.
that's it. Do you want to wait? Do you want to just get that top?
Am I cooking all these sides?
Wow. I don't know.
Is that also a Cherokee?
Here we are.
The blues won't match
Our-
probably then.
Fidget spinner.
Then my blues won't match for the top that I bought because I didn't get a Cherokee top
Hmm.
for my bottom.
Well, then you need to probably look for a Cherokee.
Workwear, scrub, cord stretch, none, top, right? The color seems off, doesn't it?
It looks off, but they're both
Yeah,
Cherokee Navy, right?
Right.
They're both Cherokee Navy. They should match.
It's not, this isn't prime. Why is it prime?
Because this one is.
So I think this is gonna be the right one because we're about to delete it. Ugh. Okay, let's go pause it.